The submucosal cushion is essential for advanced endoscopic resections of any part of the luminal gastrointestinal tract. As you can see from the pictures, submucosal injection has particular importance to show some flat lesions, show the borders and the extent. And additionally, it provides a cushion of safety so that there is less chances of resection with perforation. And when doing other procedures such as POEM or tunneling procedures, having a nice visibility distinguishing the muscle layer and the submucosal aspects, as you can see here, is very important. We called this procedure interventional chromoendoscopy because we are applying dye to perform an intervention, in these cases resection or dissection of lesions, as you can see here. So the definition of interventional chromoendoscopy is the injection of a substance containing a color mixture, usually blue, to improve the definition and resectability of any lesion. So the basic technical aspect of this technique is that it leads to a safer resection because, as you see, there is less chances of perforation by doing this. And also we improve the vertical and also the lateral margin or R2 resection. So what blues are there available?